Hello everyone, welcome back to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening a box of Cardfight Vanguard A Brush, a brush with the legends, the second to be released set of the overdress format. So without further ado, let's open the box. Once again, just for full information, prices will be displayed on the screen. Anything above 150 determined by Cardmarket sold values. We have a lovely box topper, basically two, but yeah, not going to open that one. Some advertisement, which is probably most of it already outdated by now. So without further ado, let's start opening some packs. And this time I will actually skip through the not so interesting cards. We have a Blaze Maiden Tanya in rare here, as well as an Eclipsed Moonlight in foil. Lovely. On to the next pack we go. With a Diabolos Girls Natalia and a Sterilize Angel. Also in foil. On to the next one. There's actually not a lot of packs in a box here. We have a Silvenhorned Beast Elerante and a Diabolos Madonna Mabel. On to the next pack. Can I already see something shiny in at the end? Lady Demolish. We have a, oh, that's small. A Moment of Capture, Aurora Battle Princess 24-hour coverage, of course. We also have a Cardinal Noid Plastea, and we have a Black Sage Karen. I would guess full art. Of course, would need to look it up. To the next pack we go. Prayers that will reach someday. And we have a Sleeve Tugging Bell, as well as a Dragonic Overlord. Very nice. Look at the foil. It's beautiful. Yep. On to the next one we go. Starting off with an Armored Dragon Mount Cannon, a Promised Brave Shooter, Fairy of Tragic Love, a Supernatural Extraction, and a Bard of Heavenly Song Alpac. If I'm pronouncing names wrongly, welcome to the channel. That's my thing, sort of. So, on to the next one, and I already see the foil here as well. Darkness Maiden Matcha, without the T. And we have a Crimson Expeller, also with a nice foiling. Very cool. Triple rare. On to the next pack we go. And I already see some sparkly at the end, but starting off with a Blaze Fist Monk Enten, Heavenly Blade of Sublime Bethida, Then we have a Berserk Dragon. That one looks cool. And we have a Rogue Headhunter. Also the triple rare here. Right side is already empty. Onto the left side. Starting off with Diabolos Madonna Viola. Moving on to Form Up, 0 Chosen Knights. Oh, it's an O. I'm guessing it's an O. And a regurgitation from the Underworld. In foil. For our double rare. On to the next pack. Starting off with Lizard Runner. Not gonna pronounce that. I would pronounce it French, Andu, but I don't speak French. Then we have a Frenzied Heiress and a Diaglass Sorceress. Double rare as well. On to the next pack. Let's see what we have here. A Cardinal Prime Altepo. A Blaster Dark. A Diabolos Edge Grentory. And a Berserk Dragon. In foil. Looking cool. On to the next pack. Starting once again with an Armored Dragon Mount Cannon. Moving on to an Exquisite Knight Allwine. A Cardinal Fang Marizma. And a Cardinal Noid Famborino for a special rare with the texture. Let's see if we can. Yeah, I think you can see it a little bit. That's cool. If I recall, one of those per box. So sadly we won't find any other, I fear. But we have a Cardinal Prime Ecolpa again. And a Drake Ritter Idoris. 3 packs left to go. A Deformed Hammer. We have a Time Chariot Dragon. And a Aurora Battle Princess Perio Turquoise. Triple rare. Yeah, triple rare. 2 packs left. Starting with a Stealth Dragon, Kisanerechi. Going into a Cardinal Draco in Pyro. And the Diabolos Girls, Natalia in foil. Last pack. Let's see what we can get. Then let's see if the display is worth it. Of course, as always with most card games, pretty much any card games, if you want to get specific cards, you should always go and buy the singles. Here we have a Horns of Blessing and a Ravenous Mutant Marunorm for our last double rare. Alright, this has been another card opening here on Simon's Card Hoard. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I will be seeing you